Here, I'll go in here.
I was.
Yeah. They make a YouTube channel. Right here. YouTube channel. Never heard of that. You never heard of that?
I got a Facebook or whatever the hell you call it. That's what even that I don't really talk on much. A bunch of junk because
Crap. I'm trying to find some. I'm trying to find someplace.
corner. That's where you have it.
I'll go over here. There we go.
There we go. Oh shoot. My phone's right there, you know.
Oh. Look at them cats.
I never heard of a YouTube.
Watch out for my phone.
I never heard that. They have YouTube. They gotta have MyTube or HerTube or whatever the hell it is. So, technology. Oh my goodness. They got YouTube.
You gotta have a.
I swear she was.
Well, look it up. If you show me videos.
Of anything?
Yeah.
So if I want to see cats racing dogs, will you show me that?
Yeah.
Grandma riding in a wheelchair?
Yeah.
If I want to see a piranha running, will you show me? Is that on there too?
Yeah. Oh!
So you're telling me that like one of those YouTube or whatever it's called, that you're going to show me whatever?
Shoot.
Then just put your foot like no, you did it. Here. I'll show you.
It's fine. I've done it before. I just haven't done it in a while. Ah, so close.
Anything else I need to learn today?
Oh.
How do you spell
Oh, nice. You need practice. There you go.
Oh yeah. So,
Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice.
I don't know what to do. I thought it's like what to do. You can't see me. I can't see you. You can't see me. If I can't see you, then you can't see me. A break dancer.
I just did it.
Bryce, where's Bryce? Follow me on Instagram at Carly.Gadzinski. Read out.
Watch this.
Bryce Miller. Bryce.
11 minutes.
Just fall down.